Hi, want to know how to perform factory reset on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll down until you'll find tab name of which is System. Here we would need to click on it and now scroll down until you'll find a Reset Options button. Click on it and here we would need to click Erase All Data, aka Factory Reset. After this, you'll be able to see some information that will be erased from this device, and by clicking on this button, we would need to confirm our action. Now, if you have any password on your phone, you would need to re-enter it to verify and then click on this continue button. Now we confirm that we would like to erase all data, and this is it. After this, on your phone will start performing a factory reset, which can take some time, but everything that we had to do, we had. And that's it. Now we need to just wait. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.